Good day everyone, let me introduce, this is Gabby Model Unit of Monte Royale, located po sa Parksville, Royal, katabi lang ng Lancaster and Antel Grand. Exact location, malapit lang sa Kawit and Imus boundary. Semi-complete turnover, Gabby inner lot has 36 square meter lot area and 40 square meter floor area. Sa Gabby end lot has more lot area of 54 square meter and 40 square meter floor area with carport. House features 2 bedrooms, can be extended for more space, service area, living, dining, and kitchen area. Minutes away to CAVITEX KALAYAAN KAWIT, SM Imus, Lancaster proper, Open Canal, General Trias, and Imus City Hall. Flood free, malapit lang sa itatayong Kalaksun, kaya mas mapapabilis ang travel and commute time within Calabarzon. Malapit lang din sa lahat kaya no worries. Available through cash, bank, and in-house financing po. Hanggat maaga pa po, bumili ka na ng property dahil mabilis po tumaas ang value ng mga lote dito sa Imus next to Bacoor. For more details, viewing, and computations po, follow me here sa TikTok, then message me right away. Once again, I'm Sean, your assistant agent and property consultant po. Maraming salamat po.